Take me very long to figure out how to fucking get it connected up, so here we are. This is the other part of every evening for a while. NeoVim Vim Motions. Powerful editor has many commands. Yes, and they want you to navigate with the and I know all the basics. I've been kind of getting used to the basics, but I'm still using arrow keys normally to navigate. And I really need to be, you know, Control D, Control D, Control U up. And just HJKL a little bit more. Where did I just go? Okay. So, help. Yeah. I can quit that. I can also get to it F1, I think. No. Function? Yeah. Yeah, on this keyboard you actually have to hit the function key. Okay. Other times you'll be prompted to run a command. Commands in the lessons will modify the text, but those changes... turn that down a little bit. Commands in the lesson will modify the text, but those changes won't be saved. Don't worry about messing things up, just remember that pressing escape and then U will undo the last change. This tutorial is interactive. There are a few things you should know. Type enter on any links like this to open the linked help section. Oh yeah. So I could go on up here and found it. The Holy Grail. Okay. I got you. I did it again. I hit semicolon. Must have taken me to the first semicolon. Okay. I was meaning to hit L. Okay. So here we are. Text like enter describes key to press. Okay, got that. Moving the cursor, yes. Exiting NeoVim, yes. Know how to exit, that's fine. Open this NeoVim tutor back up, yes. If you have these steps memorized and are confident, execute steps 1 through 3 and exit, re-enter the editor. Note, Q discards any changes you made. Few lessons you will learn how to save the changes to a file. I already know how to right quit, but again, I haven't learned it from this, so let's just go through this. Okay. To fix the errors, move the cursor until it is on top of the character to be deleted. Oh. Okay. Oh, here we are. Till it's on top of the character to be deleted. Okay. Oh. Okay. With this tour, do not try to memorize everything. A near-event vocabulary will expand with usage. Okay. Ah, this is okay. This is what I was looking for. No. Oh, it was back. Okay, text editing, insertion. Yeah, we just did that. So it wants us to come to these sentences. Cursor to the first line, mark X. There's a little missing. Damn it, trying not to look at my fingers. I keep doing that. That's okay, that's how I'm gonna learn. And escape. I need to get that properly mapped. Oh, yeah. Fuck. Ah. Damn it. Okay. From this line. Escape. I need to get that caps lock key mapped back to escape properly. Because it's not right now. It puts it into some other weird mode, but it's still in insert mode. I don't know what that is. I think that's caps lock mode, probably. No? I don't know what it is. But there is some text missing from this line. Okay. Everything seems to be good. Press A to append text. This line. Alright, look at that. when you're comfortable. Ooh. I didn't even do anything to deserve that. Come on. All right. So, lesson 1.6: editing a file. Use a WQ to write and quit a file. Yes. Exit this tutorial as you did in lesson 1.2 with quit, or if you have access to another terminal, do the following there. At the shell prompt, type this command: tutor, insert and delete text as you learned in the previous lessons. Save the file and exit NeoVim with WQ. Note you'll need to press enter to execute the command. We have quit this tutorial in step 1, restart, and move down to the following summary. Okay. Oh, no. Yeah. Well, here I gotta quit all. I don't have to because I don't have that thing up. So, then I can create a new file. We'll just say something. Insert. I'm gonna have to figure out how to turn off a lot of those. Okay. And then back to NVim tutor. See, that's not right. It's NVim plus tutor. That guy. I think that's maybe because of Omarchi, not a command. Oh, because it's case sensitive, isn't it? Whoa. There you go. And then we'll just go down a few pages. We're at 1.6. Editing a file. Yes. Lesson 1 summary. I did ZZ to center that thing, trying to use all the navigation, because I have a tendency to stick to when I'm trying to remember to do the home rows navigation stuff, and not, I mean, with the arrows, that's all you can do, right? It's up and down and left and right. But when I'm doing here, it makes me more cognizant of the fact that there's an easier way for me to, like, Control D to go down half a page, or Control U to go up half a page. And come on down here and say, okay, here's this, but I'm getting really close to the bottom of the page. ZZ to bring that up a little bit to where what I'm reading is in the center of the page now. So just trying to remember these things. This is what's gonna make me better at Vim, and the ultimate goal in my blog post recently was to be able to remove all the barriers between what I'm thinking and what I'm typing, so that I can just, all of a sudden I can think and it's just there on the screen. Some words. Deleting a word. Oh yeah. Okay. So it's oh, are some words fun that don't belong paper in this sentence? I see you wanting to go down there. There we go. There are some words fun. That guy. That don't belong paper in this sentence. Got that? Lesson 2.2. Beginning with ZZ. Type D $ to delete to the end of somebody typed the end of this line twice, end of this line twice, yes. So I would come down here, and actually if I was at the beginning of the line, find dot. Yeah. Oh. And then, go one more. Delete the end of the sentence. I do use that one regularly. Not a lot, but especially when editing chunks of code, it's pretty useful. Okay. That was kind of cool. I just thought I wanted to go up and my middle finger automatically hit K. Started going up, so. J and K, I think, are the first ones that need to lock in. Okay, what are we doing? Operators and motions. Many commands that. So D is the delete operator, yes. Motion, yeah. So delete the word, delete E into the current word, including the last character. And $sign to the end of the line, which we just did. Okay. Wow. Again, getting to the typing a number before a motion repeats it that many times. Type T2W. That would take me 2 words from where I'm at. Yeah. Or oh, that was Shift 0. Interesting. Yeah, see, I just automatically went there to navigate. That's not good. Like, I want to stick here. That makes touch typing make all the difference. So, using a count, I think I'm going to try and see if I can. How many are there? Wow. How many of them are here? Lesson 2, 2 to 7. Okay. So we're on 6? Yes. Type DD to delete the whole line. Yes, I use that one a lot. I keep hitting I because it's like going to there. I definitely got to break that habit. Um, Ledur. Gotta remember Ledur. Roses are red, mud is fun, violets are blue, I have a car. Oh, I get ya. Okay. uh. Clock's still time, and so are you. um. Oh yeah, you need to, or do that and put that comma in there. Or maybe it's not supposed to go in there, is it? Press U to undo last command. Yeah, I just did that. And that's the end of lesson 2. And how many lessons are there in here? Lesson 3, lesson 4. Six, 7. Oh, wait a minute. Lesson 7 summary. That's just chapter 1. Okay. Well, got some shit to work on. But this is the starting point. I guess this is how you do it. Alright, well. If there's anybody listening, thanks for joining, I guess. I don't know why you would, but what if it's adding to that one, or if it's, because I'm still only seeing the one, so we'll see what we look like.